What's up, y'all? So for today's video, I'm gonna take my little NEPHEW. Y'all all love him. If you don't know him, good. But we're gonna go do some pulls and get his reaction. I've never done a pull with him since it's been turboed, so I don't know how he's gonna react. I ain't trying to make it fake. I want his genuine reaction. If it ain't good, hey bro, you gotta at least fake it for something. You know what I'm saying? You need to fake a reaction. We need views. So we're gonna head up to Mexico and get some pulls in.
Oh no, not Mexico.
Yeah, Mexico. Viva la Mexico. You don't think you're gonna be scared of the car?
No.
For real?
Yeah.
So you saying that, you know what I'm saying, this car ain't fast?
It is.
It's fast, but you ain't gonna be scared.
Yeah.
What, you got vibranium in your blood?
No.
You got King T'Challa juice?
Yep.
You from Wakanda?
Yep.
For real?
Yep.
Alright.
I got that in my blood.
Alright. Nothing? You weren't scared? You ain't scared? What's going on? You alright?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Huh?
Alright.
Oh yeah, you ain't scared. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright, NEPHEW. Every guy with a muscle car right now is like, ha ha ha. He thought his lawnmower was a scary little NEPHEW. Ha ha. Get that rice rocket on out of here, bud. With your little rice erasing it. With your air freshener. Think that's horsepower?
That's straight redneck.
That's straight what?
Redneck.
That's straight what?
Redneck.
Red dead.
Hey, redneck.
Redneck.
Yes.
You racist. My car needs some vibranium, huh? Yeah. What kind of nephew are you, man? You supposed to be acting all scared and stuff. I wish I could have took my mom, but lucky she old and stuff, so she gotta sleep at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. What happened to being on your phone? Well, almost blew my car up. No more driving for me. Whoa.
No. No.
You ain't scared. I know you ain't scared. I ain't doing nothing. Why you looking like that?
Can I go home now? Can I go home now?
Oh look, a nice straight road with no cars. What's up, Justice?
I'm a god.
What?
I'm a god.
No. What? What happened?
I'm a god.
Huh?
I am going to die.
You wanna die?
I said I am going to.
Why would you die? We're only going 100. You alright? Alright. Before your mom killed me, let me take you home though. So what? My car cool?
Yeah.
I got my nephew approval of my car. So it's cool now? Alright. Huh?
Tripping on a new level.
I'm tripping on a new level.
Yes.
Who do you hang out with who teach you these slang words? You're tripping on a whole new level. Is that looks like a double entendre? You know what that means?
Nope.
Good.
I'm about to go.
No, you ain't gonna die, Justice. I got you. I got eBay brakes. We good. You know what eBay stands for? Every brake assists everything. So all my brakes. Wait, huh?
Huh?
What a beautiful day to do a pull. So what's the final verdict on my car, Justice? Did I scare you with my car today? Hey, Neff. You got scared a little bit?
Yeah.
Why you lying to me? Stop lying.
I'm not lying.
So you saying I scared you, but you ain't look scared at all.
Yeah.
Lying.
Not lying.
My own nephew. He be your own nephew, dog. Your own.
Take me to the store.
Take you to the store.
Yeah.
What am I, an Uber driver express?
Yeah. That took me $5.
Tip me $5. One of your nephews from Wakanda, so you can't really scare him. But hey, I got some seatbelt harnesses installed. When I had brought my bride tee from Chris a long time ago, he gave me these harnesses, and I forgot I had them for the longest time. So I was like, why not install them? I mean, until I get better ones, but for now, it's to have a passenger in the car with a seatbelt so they don't get in trouble if we ever get pulled over or something, because hashtag DWB. But time to pull the car in the garage and close out this video. Yo. You guys appreciated today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried to scare my nephew, but obviously it didn't. He got Wakanda blood and that vibranium stuff going on, so I can't really help him. But thank you guys for watching the video. I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. But before I get up on about of here, everyone who ordered within the 40% off flash sale I did, all your orders will be shipped out by tomorrow, Saturday the latest. It was a lot. Y'all, hey, y'all killed it, bro. So I got. But could you so kindly please smash that like button for you, boy? That'd be greatly appreciated. And that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. About peace.